In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost download speed in Opera browser. We'll keep things simple and focused so you can follow along and see an immediate improvement. First, open the Opera browser on your computer. We're going to make sure it's running the latest version because updates often include networking and performance fixes that can directly affect download speed. Click the Opera icon in the top left corner to open the main menu, then choose Update and Recovery. Opera will automatically check for updates here. If an update is available, let it complete in this window. Staying current ensures you're using the most optimized download engine and the latest security patches. Next, look to the left side panel and open Settings. In Settings, find VPN and toggle it off. Opera's built-in VPN is great for privacy, but it routes your traffic through additional servers, which can slow downloads especially from nearby or trusted sources. Turning it off here doesn't remove the feature, it simply ensures your connection is as direct and fast as possible while you're downloading. You can always turn it back on later when privacy is your priority. Now, still in Settings, go to Privacy and Security. This is where we'll clear out data that can create bottlenecks. Choose Delete Browsing Data. Switch to the More or Advanced tab so you can see all options, set the time range to all time, and then select Delete Data. This clears cached images and files, cookies, and related site data that may have grown large or become corrupted over time. It won't remove files you've already downloaded, but it may sign you out of some websites, so be ready to log back in. Fresh cache and cookies help Opera establish clean, efficient connections, which can speed up downloads and reduce errors. That's it. With Opera updated, VPN temporarily disabled, and browsing data reset, your browser is primed for faster downloads. Start your next download and let it run without heavy multitasking in other tabs. If you found this helpful, keep these steps in mind anytime downloads start to feel sluggish.